Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make somen champuru. It's stir-fried somen noodles. Somen noodles are summer dish because it's usually served cold. But somen champuru is stir-fried and it's hot, so it's good for all year round. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this somen champuru, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 6 bundles of somen noodles, some garlic chive, carrot, I'm using half of this, 1 onion, canned tuna. This one is in oil, not the one in brine, and this is 80 grams, but you can use bigger can. 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil, Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, mirin, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and katsuobushi fish flakes as a topping. As always, let's finish off the cutting first. So onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Then thin slices. Carrot. I'm using half of this. Peel the skin. Cut the top off into very thin diagonal slices. Then into very thin strips. You can put these two together. And garlic chive. Cut the bottom off because it's dried. Then into 2 inches or so. And keep it separately from these two. Prepare plenty of boiling water and let's cook the somen noodles for a minute. Just a minute. And you're going to drain it straight away and rinse under running water, so prepare a strainer in the sink. Just 1 minute. Okay, let's drain. And rinse it really well under running water. You can go really aggressive here and rub it well to remove all the starch on the surface of the somen noodles. Okay, noodles are ready. Time to stir fry. Let's start with the eggs. Crack 4 eggs in a bowl. And beat them. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Once the frying pan is hot enough, pour the eggs. Mix with big stroke. So you're basically making scrambled eggs, but not too small. Once it's cooked, take it out. In the same frying pan, onion and carrot. Also, the canned tuna, the oil and everything. Keep cooking until the vegetables are wilted. Once the vegetables are cooked, turn the heat off and add the noodles. Then all the seasonings. Sesame oil, mirin, the soup stock, and the soy sauce. Give it a mix and try to release the noodles. The heat is still off. Once the noodles are all released and the seasonings are circulated all over the noodles, turn the heat back on and heat it up. Everything in the frying pan is cooked, so you don't need to cook it, you just need to heat it up. When you start to hear it sizzle, add the chive and put the eggs back in. Keep cooking for a while. Once the chive is wilted, turn the heat off. Let's serve on the plate. Finish it up with some katsuobushi fish flakes. And somen champuru is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The crispy chive, fluffy egg, noodles, the umami of the tuna and katsuobushi fish flakes. Everything is so well harmonized and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Somen champuru is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here, and it contains a lot of vegetables, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other one. I need little more protein, so let's have chikuwa no isobeage for the main. Okura to wakame no soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!